All right, here's a demo of my control box simulator. As you can see, it's hooked up to my Webasto's 1553 control box. I can turn on my bench power supply here, supplying 12 volts. That will supply 12 volts to the box. A pre-test is we set up thermostats so that they're closed, just like in the original Webasto burner. We have the flame sensor set so that it's in operating condition. And here's the master control switch. This is the switch that would be inside your coach to turn on your Webasto or Aqua heater. We turn that on. It starts the blower. It tells us that the system is operating. In a few seconds, the fuel solenoid will fire, followed immediately by an igniter. If the flame sensor circuit is working in this test box, the igniter will blink to show that it ignited and it completed the fuel circuit. And it's sending a simulated flame circuit back to the control box. We are now in a full heat mode. When the heat mode is finished, the 190-degree control thermostat will open, which will immediately cut off the fuel, and the blower will run for another 2 minutes. I'm not going to waste your time and record all that, but at the end of 2 minutes, the blower will turn off, at which point I can re-engage the control thermostat to start another heat cycle. I also have the ability to test the 230 limit thermostat, or rather, the control box's reaction to the operational nature of a 230 limit thermostat, and have it run through the proper sequence there. I can also simulate a failed flame sensor. When I run another sequence, I can turn this off and I can see how the box reacts to a fuel delivery indicator and then a failure to light, and then watch the box go through the proper sequence for failure scenarios. So I now have the ability with this selector to test 12 and 24 volt control boxes. So when I do rebuilds, I have the ability now to test your box through full proper functionality and failure scenarios without having to go to my personal AquaHot and run multiple very long heat soak cycles on my personal AquaHot.